I was very interested in music, poetry, spiritual books. It's very hard to live alone in a new country with new culture.
My name is Anila Noor. Originally, I'm from Pakistan, and I came in Netherlands in 2013. And while I was in Azise Asylum Center of Netherlands, I felt I need to do something for refugee because refugees are having very bad perception and having so much stereotypes, and we need to create some kind of changing stereotypes. So I started my movement called New Women's Connector. So I started this movement to just give the idea how females are powerful, and I try to make events where I provide a platform where females come with their own voices to share what they want to share with specific theme like education, labor market, integration, and stereotypes, where they share their stories. And why I'm doing this, because when I meet females newcomers and females refugee or migrant women, they said, we are normal, having lives with few problems. They don't understand, like their story matters. Their story has not only problems, but also solutions. Newcomers who are here, they are just like migrant expats, guest workers. They can help, they can achieve more, and we need to change that. There are more things which we need to solve and resolve and rethink before addressing these kind of integration plans, because this kind of assumption that they don't want to work creates so many problems. We need to understand how to give them facilitation where they can understand their self first and how they can make some kind of future plan, and we can, as a city, we can facilitate them in making their future plans, because they never have the experience. It will be like a huge question for them if we ask, okay, what do you want? No one asked them before. So I think we need to rethink about this, how we can facilitate them to give them access to the opportunities. Yeah. So this is my dream, to connect everyone. That's why I created New Women's Connector.